gaming platform. I was built with an Arduino microcontroller and a microcomputer called a Raspberry Pi. It may not be the delicious kind, but it is still pretty awesome. I can be used as a computer if you hook me up to a monitor, keyboard and a mouse. Not only can I talk, but I can also function as a compass. I am facing 290 degrees west. I can also tell what the temperature is too. The temperature is 67.68359 degrees Fahrenheit. It is quite comfortable in here. I can also drive around on my own.
We're not having it checking up here, so. Okay, that's great.
Not good with slanted.
Now this is gonna have problems with. Nope, I hit it just right.